Hi, so we were going to demonstrate on the Ford. So this one is the Ford. We are going to demonstrate on the manual Relearn. First of all, I need to get into the car and go to the learn procedure if you are not sure which one you should do. Okay, so there's several different mode. There's a way to auto relearn because this one can drive to relearn, but what we are going to do is manual relearn. So ensure all the doors are closed, turn the ignition off, and press. So turn off. See, all the pressure right now is showing, but we are still going to do another relearn. The same, Good. So right now I'm turning this off, and make sure you have the brake. If there's a brake, you can apply. Okay. Circle off to run 3 times. See, you hear that? So it should be start to working, and they will show you turn the left front tire. Turn the left front tire. All right. So it's taking. You have to taking that quick. And make sure there's a time limit. After you hear honk, then that means that tire being trained. All right. So there's some case if the front one is being able to learn, but the rear one, if they are not able to honk by the vehicle, but can be triggered by the tool, that's usually mean like maybe the signal is not being reading by the vehicle, and you will see the training complete here. See if you see the training complete. All right, that's it. Thank you.